But out of the 1.4 billion shillings we had raised to support this initiative, we realize we still have significant funds left that will extend the period of support for another 1.5 years. So our medical staff will work with you, will continue to protect you, and with God's grace. We appreciate the stress you have gone through, but God has been kind to us, that the resources we found them adequate to support the 56 county and national referral hospitals for another 1 year.